people ask where you're from, and you say, oh, Brockwell. No one knows where Brockwell is. But everyone knows about cheese rolls. Everyone that I know from Brockworth who can get there will be there. I've been up there watching since I was 4, but then as you get older, obviously you decide whether you're taking more part in it, more of an active role. So I stand at the top in a big hat and tell people what they can and can't do at the top of the hill. I look forward to it. It's a good day. Christopher Anderson, he's well known to be the best cheese roller. I think he's found his niche in life. He's incredibly good at cheese rolling.
I'm Chris Anderson and I've won the cheese rolling 20 times. If I win this year, then I'll have the highest record anyone's ever had. It's a local thing, and the villagers all like to have someone from the village win the event, so just trying to keep it going for the village.
It's a very steep hill. You stand at the top, you think about why on earth am I doing this? Then somebody counts, 1 to be ready, 2 to be steady, 3 for the cheese, 4 to be off, and you chase the cheese, and you stand up and you fall. And you get up and you fall, and you get up and you hope that someone isn't falling into you. And by the time you hit the bottom, you're just glad it's over. It's a big thing, big bragging rights if you win it.
I think I win it because I get up and I run as fast as I can. Not a lot of people have the balls to run down. But you've got to have a sort of total disregard for yourself.
The reason why people still do cheese rolls, identity, is what Brockworth is. It's part of Brockworth. It's always going to be part of Brockworth. It's like there's nowhere else in the world there's cheese rolling, but there's people from all over the world who comes to watch cheese rolling. Cheese rolling is brilliant.